Okay, I just got this in the mail, the Moyu V11 AI. So I have the V10, and I'm really excited to try this one out. This is the one, this is the smart version of the cube that Yihang used to get his sub 4 averages. Which feels crazy to say that. So yeah, it was unreleased at the time, and now it's released, and they've made a smart version of it. And yeah, I'm curious to check it out. I've heard that these new Moyus, the V11 and the Super Wide on V2, they feel like GAN cubes, and that's probably what it takes to get Yihang to switch um, right really fast cubes, which is how I prefer it. Um, so yeah, you have a nice box. You have the same charger that the V10 comes with. It looks like. So I don't know why the cube is not in the box. So that's what they said about uh, in a couple other videos. Um, the cube here looks nice. Um, let's see who's here. Huh, I didn't know I would have used Moyu. Um, yeah, okay. So link to the app. I think it's the same app as V10. Yep, and if only I can read Chinese. Let's see what accessories they have. All right, so they have this tool here. No extra magnets or anything. So I'm just gonna try out the cube itself without the app for now. I'm recording this on my phone, so I can't really use the Moyu app. Whoa, this is really loose and fast. I thought the V10 was fast, but yeah, this is really fast out of the box. I'm just gonna do a hand scramble. Yeah, this is very light actually. Okay, let's see what sort of time I can get with this. Um, hmm. Okay, I think I see good cross. That's terrible. 17.6. It's really hard to control this, I think. It needs accurate turning. You have to be Yihang to control this, but it does feel nice. I think I can get used to it. And it doesn't feel like I wouldn't know this was a smart cube if I couldn't see it lighting up. So um, yeah, this is really well done. So now I have my V11. I'm going to connect it to my smart cube app, Yact. And I actually did this already, but it my mic wasn't working. So yeah. Um, so yeah, it connects fine. I didn't have to change any of the code for the V10, so it works automatically. We reuse the same logic. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a solve on it. Yeah, I've added the gyro recently to the Moyu cubes, and that's a really nice touch. Um, okay. This is a very fast queue. um, yeah, I mean 4.7 TPS. I was just trying to control it. But yeah, it works. I'm really happy about it. Thanks to Daniel from speedcubing.org for sending this over. He's going to put it in stock, and I'm looking forward to trying out the Super Waylong V2 AI and see how that compares to this one.